Hello and welcome to an episode of Gamer Geek 4000 Starmade Ship Reviews. Today we are reviewing the Blizzard Dragon. And yes, this is a ship that is big, bad, and beautiful at the same time. Now, the Blizzard Dragon is indeed a ship by Starport, and you can download this link at starmade.net. I will have the link in the description of the video so you can get this beautiful ship. So yeah, it's got two hangars, one with a salvage and a fighter, and one with a shuttle and a fighter. There's the salvage ship, or fighter, that's shuttle. And that's the salvage. Now you can see how I got that confused, right? Cool. It's core, cockpit. Yeah, it's generic salvage ship. So yeah, the thrusters on this ship are beautiful. I mean, may I just say, beautiful. I mean, look at that. Look at that. I mean, that just looks like a crown. This ship is definitely fit for a king. So yeah, let's go check out some interior designs on this ship. Here's the core room. Or, no, this is the Phoenix room. Yes, and there's a long strip of trees. We will go down there soon. Now, deep into the underbelly of the ship, where there is exits. And there is turret access terminals. Yeah, see, turret access terminals. And there is a giant, spiraling, epic, amazing core of amazing. And then there is a hallway. Hallways. Ooh. Sleeping quarters. Those are always cool. More sleeping quarters. Ooh. Giant long reactor strip. That looks cool. I like that. Where is that? Front. The grill. Cool. So yeah. Get down here into the weapons core. Nice. This guy definitely knows how to build a ship. And more turret access terminals. Let's go check out this. It's a hallway. Exit. And the Phoenix room again. And let's see here. Where's the core? No? See, the core, the very blue, like all those rooms. And, storage, cool. Let's see, kinda know this ship. Here's the meeting room, nice looking chairs, epic. See, through here we have a bridge, I think. That's where the bridge is. This is the med bay. I love this med bay. It's a really great med bay. And then this way was the bridge, yes. And the captain's chair is wonderful. And it's got little places so you can do some role playing. That's great. Always love role playing, people. It's just fun. Good old fashioned fun. And there is another bridge. Or another part of the bridge, I should say. And yeah, let's go back to the hallway of trees. And yeah, this is a piece of blue fountainous epic. I think that looks cool. And yeah, so up this way was just another bit of stuff. We've already covered basically everything on the ship but the core room. So let's go to where the core is. And see this core. I like this ship a lot. Let's check out the weapons. See what's good. That's cool. That's cool. I did not know you could go to like the turrets. Oops. Lol. Check out the turret. Yeah, I wouldn't want to get in a fight with this. Boom, boom. Indeed. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, let's get to here. And get to the different... There. Ha. And a bunch of missiles. Bunch of stuff. The weapons computer out of it. And let's... Wow. That's powerful cannons right there. Ooh. Something's that way. Let's go find a pirate station. Yeah. Pirate station. Blow the shit out of it and get our plunder. Because plunder is a word for loot. So let's just fire off a couple of somethings in that or something direction. Something. Okay, so let's fire weapons missile test. 1. Go. Let's blow the shit out of this bitch. Exchanging fire. Wow, thunder. Thunder is all I can say. Are the turrets active? No. Well, oh, I've got it. So yeah, obviously this thing could definitely rip through ship. Once I get the shields now. See, I'm just kind of like pointing the gun through, see if I can get all the way through. I don't think I will. Well, I hit something and it's killing me. I know you're not pleased because I hit something with the ship. Please don't kill me. Yeah, I'm literally getting 1 FPS right now because something exploded. And it only happens when I'm recording too, so when I'm actually playing it doesn't really explode like that. But yeah. Ambidextrous. It's a word. Okay, I think I need to back up. Get out of that area. Get out of there. Quick. Okay, my FPS is again rising. Okay, yeah, let's get the hell out of here. No, because I don't think this is actually working out too good for me. So yeah, obviously you saw the firepower on this ship. It'll blow some shit up. So don't fight this thing. If you can. Let's fire a missile. Get the hell out. So yeah, pretty good ship, guys. I do say so myself. So please like, subscribe, comment, tell me anything you want to know. If you heard any background noise, I do apologize. I'm working on getting a headset, and again, apologize for the bad mic. Trying to get a headset. My nephew lost mine, so it's kind of working through some things. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and see you later.